to 70. Peter has had a great time because his mother has just come home from the hospital and he really enjoys it. This is a record for the state of Illinois for being warm and beautiful at Christmas. The last Christmas that was this warm that I remember was in Orlando, Florida, actually Winter Park, Florida, 1967. We're going to go for a walk around our house, and anyone that wants to watch can. That's the cook's house, just to the side of ours. Across the street, Coon's house. That's Bell's house. There's our mailbox, isn't it, Pete?
Yep.
There's one of the cars. There's the garage.
Yeah.
Let's pan the house. Go that way. Is it on wide angle or telephoto?
I don't know. That's a whole.
No, you just told him once. All right, now let's walk around the house. Okay? Talk while you're doing it.
Yeah.
You gotta tell them what you're looking at.
With this house, that the post.
Hi, how are you,
Hi.
Dick? Merry Christmas.
Yeah. This house.
Are you getting a good picture of the house?
Yeah. And
All right, let's walk down the road.
Yeah.
Turn down the road. We're walking down
down
Turvey
the
Road. And tell them what creek that is.
St. Joe's Creek. And
Let's
then
walk into the yard. And who built that bridge?
my dad and Mike.
When did we do that?
I know we're here.
Show them the creek. It's overflowing.
Yeah.
On Christmas Day, 1982. Now we're going to go for a walk in the backyard.
Yeah.
Should we go for a walk around this way?
Yeah.
Point it up. What are you looking at?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing.
You're looking at the ground. What to know? Is that whose house is that?
I don't know. Some
I think that's the
new people I know what the name of. Yeah.
no, look down the creek. Let's lift it up and show up. Look all around. There's the house.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Well, that's our, we're retaping. Oh, I can't believe it. What I've done.
What happened?
Well, okay.
What happened?
I rewound it. And I think I've erased opening the Christmas presents.
Oh.
Well, that's what... Come on, don't point it at the ground, dude.
I'm pulling at the bricks, Dad. Dad,
Huh?
I'm pulling at the bricks.
There's the back of our house.
Yep, the back of our house. You don't want to see the new addition.
Should we go over the wooden bridge?
Yeah.
Why don't you stop the camera while we go across? Just once, yeah. Is it going?
Yeah.
It's the back of the house. Show them the bird house. Who put that up? You?
Me, you did.
How long ago?
A month ago?
Oh,
No.
years ago.
A year ago.
Years ago.
Was Grandpa
Show them the bridge. Alright, now turn it off.
there? I knew this shouldn't be able to see it. So there are trees. And
Let me see.
you see.
There's the old dune buggy.
Yep.
There's the new edition. There's the Ekman's property.
Yep.
There's Cook's house. And there's Sarah's house. St. Joseph's Creek, which is Old Fawn.
Yeah, for the rainstorm.
There's a shed that Craig and I built this summer. Beth,
And then
Pete, there's a picture of our house looking from across the creek.
yeah.
There's the bridge.
And what are these people?
There's the birdhouse that Pete and I built.
No, Grandpa and Grandma Ryan gave that. You built that a long time ago, Dad?
No, I didn't build it. I raised it. Here's a view from our patio. The new patio, built onto the west side of the house, looking outward toward the creek into the backyard, looking down onto the creek, out through the yards. That's Cook's backyard, the creek, looking out down into the woods, across the creek. It's really a gorgeous view. Water flowing.